What comes to your mind when you see these assorted colorful cupcakes? Of course, festive mode has been activated. As you can see, the color tells it all. We have lots of party ahead, Thanksgiving, Christmas on the way, and even birthday parties. So grab this easiest and the best cupcake recipe that includes 3 different flavors in one recipe. And the cupcakes are very moist, fluffy, yummy, and delicious, of course. So if you want to know how I made this fluffy and moist cake, watch the video up to the end. Well, let's get to the video. Enjoy the video. I'm going to line my cupcake tins with cupcake peppers. I'm going to use the orange peppers for chocolate cake and the red peppers for red velvet, then the green peppers for lemon cupcakes. I'll set it aside once done, and I'm going ahead to weigh my ingredients. I'm going to use 250 grams of all-purpose flour. Once done, set it aside. I'm going to weigh the sugar 100 grams and margarine 100 grams too. I will combine margarine with some vegetable oil. That's done. Put aside. Now I'm going in with baking powder 2 teaspoons and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good mix, then put aside. In my mixing bowl, I'm going to cream both margarine, sugar, and oil. I'm going to use electric hand mix to cream it. You can use a whisk or even a spatula. I like using both margarine and oil when it comes to cupcakes because it normally gives me the moist I want in cupcake. So try this trick and you will give me a feedback. Cream it until it's light and soft. Scrape your butter, going side by side and dip down the mixing bowl. I'm adding vanilla essence flavor. I'm going to drop my eggs one at a time. And this is very important for the cake to rise well. You need to incorporate air as much as possible. Therefore, it's advisable not to add all your eggs at once. Whisk it until it's light and frothy. Now I'm going to go in with my flour. Sift your flour to incorporate the air. Add in flour gradually as you fold it in. Start with a slow speed and then again sift in some flour. Fold it as you add in your milk. I'm using buttermilk. Just fold it going one direction, and we're going to repeat this until you achieve the consistency you want. Guys, if you're coming across my video for the first time, feel welcome. And if you like this kind of content, kindly consider subscribing, like the video, and feel free to leave me a comment. This is a channel where delicious meals are made simple and very easy and delicious. Don't overwork the butter like me. I forgot I was to add some resin, so it will be somehow overmixed. So I'm adding some raisins. Then I'll have to fold it in to mix well. At this point, preheat your oven 180 degree for 15 minutes. I will use this ice cream scoop to fill my cups. Fill it 3/4 way. Don't fill it to the brim. Leave some space for it to rise. Or like I said, for the green peppers, I will use it for my lemon cupcakes. So this is lemon zest. I'll sprinkle some lemon zest in this cupcake. Then I'll give it a slight mix for the lemon zest to mix well with the butter. Next, I'm going to make chocolate cake using the same butter. I'm just going to add some cocoa on it. I'm using drinking chocolate. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of drinking chocolate on the remaining butter. And this is the same butter I'm going to use to make the red velvet. Red velvet is just a chocolate cake anyway, just adding color in it and you're good to go. Mix the batter well to ensure no lumps from the cocoa. I'm going to fill the orange cups with the chocolate butter. Once done, I'm adding the red color to the butter. Give it a good mix until the color takes over the brown. So this is just okay. I'm going to fill my red cups. That is for red velvet. Then I'm going to take it into my preheated oven and I will bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. My cake has been in and out of the oven and it smells heavenly here. Look at it, it's looking lovely. Let it cool in the tray for 10 minutes, then transfer it to the wire rack and let it cool completely before frosting. So we're going to frost our cupcakes. I whipped my cream out of camera, so I'm just going to fill it in my piping bag and I'm going to use 1M nozzle. Roast my cupcakes. Start with the lemon ones. Just make a simple rosette. You can use any nozzle of your choice. My returning subscribers and new subscribers, feel free. And if you haven't liked this video up to this point, what are you still waiting for? Give me that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Add some drinking chocolate or cocoa powder to your whipped cream and give it a good mix. This is what I'm going to use to frost my chocolate cupcake. Make some rosettes to your liking. We are going to use the same frosting to frost our red velvet cake. Like I told you, red velvet cake is just a chocolate cake with a red color in it. So when you're making both chocolate cake and red velvet, it's good to start with the chocolate cake, then just drop the red color and you're on red velvet. Just simple as that. And you're sorted. It is just one recipe all through, as you can see, and we have assorted cakes here. So I'm going to garnish my lemon cake with some sprinkle. As you know, we can't have a party cupcakes without sprinkle. No way. This colorful chocolate sprinkle simply symbolizes the party and it activates the party mode automatically. And I'm going to use this grated chocolate to top up both chocolate cake and red velvet cake. Both are chocolate cake, you remember? This is the easiest and the best cupcake recipe I've ever come across. You can include any of your favorite flavors. These cupcakes are very moist, fluffy, and delicious. And our cupcakes are ready. Simple, delicious, and beautiful. Look at them, very colorful. And it's very moist. Don't forget, moist inside. If you're a cupcake lover, you need to try this for birthdays or any celebration. And if you happen to try it, don't forget to bring back your feedback and enjoy watching this video as you try. Happy baking! I will see you in my next, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it useful. Bye bye.